Okay, unwrapping a new bag for the drone. For the drone. Okay. Kind of concept. 20 litre. I reckon this will be enough for me. Let's have a look, shall we? Go to here. All right, here. Various things put together. Okay. Various divides. Major one there. We've got here. Tough. Okay, laptop. Bad. Okay, let's put the drone in and have a look. Okay, this is just a quick setup. So I've got Air2S in there, all the props, batteries, RC controller for the Air2S, RC controller for the Mini 3 and 360 Sphere. All fits in here nicely. Laptop in here, all the other bits are in here. Of course I'm going to move these around and make it a bit better, but looks like it's going to be a good bag. Highly recommended, I think. I'm back to travel, so I'll let you know. But everything fits in here exactly how I want.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it to anyone you think might find this interesting. Thank you for tuning into the Two Boomers.